Assalamu alaikum. My name is Meher Khan Niazi.
And my name is Muhammad Azhar.
Today, we are going to present some ethical issues of information technology.
So, guys, as we know that the modern world of digital society with global network and cyberspace will eventually produce a broad spectrum of social, political, and ethical issues. This spectrum have led to the creation of new branch of ethics, which is technoethics. The distinction between what is legal and what is illegal is usually clear, but drawing a line between what is ethical and what is unethical is more difficult. So, first of all, we discuss what is ethics. Actually, ethics is a branch of philosophy that deal with what is considered to be right or wrong, as information in cyberspace can be accessed globally. A research field of computer ethics is needed to examine what is right and wrong for internet users can do, and what are the social impacts of information technology in general. Such research will underpin action that must be taken not only to harness the power of information technology itself, but also to survive its revolution. It is especially important to understand security and privacy issues and major negative impact of IT on cyberspace. Although some technical approaches such as encryption, digital ID, and firewall methods have been developed to overcome some of the problems, legal actions must also be enforced worldwide, which will address a growing number of ethical problems resulting from the negative impact of IT in our global society, as data, information, and computer networks can be threatened by many internal and external hazards internationally. Computer ethics should be the concern of everyone. So, I request Mekha Niazi, please explain us some of the major ethical issues of information technologies. Please.
Yes, of course. Thank you. Thank you so much, Muhammad Azhar. Some of the major ethical issues of information technology are piracy. Now, what's piracy is? Piracy is an activity in which an unauthorized copy of the software is made. Copyright. Copyright law works both before a security break and certainly after a security breach as a very powerful legal tool in the protection of computer software. Such a violation could involve misuse of data, computer programs, documents, and the like. Liability. One should be mindful of the problem of accountability in ethical decision making. Software creator makes guarantees and assertions to the consumer on the value and functionality of the product that can be limited as an express guarantee. Programmers or manufacturers have the right to have express warranties. They must also be realistic when defining any statements and assumptions regarding the functionality, efficiency, and design of their applications or hardware. Any word they say about their product can be as legally legitimate as it is written. In order to shield against damages, both deals should be in writing. A disclaimer of express warranties may exclude a supplier from being held accountable for casual, speculative, or projected claims made at the point of the arrangements. Trade secrets. In information technology, trade secrets are an important ethical issue. A trade secret secures something of value and usefulness. This law protects the private aspects of ideas that the discoverer or his representatives are aware of. Once revealed, trade secrets are lost as such and are only safeguarded by trade secret law. Access right. Access right is now a high priority problem for IT and cyberspace with great advances in technology. The evolution of e-commerce and electronic payment processes on the internet has increased this problem for numerous business entities and government departments. The network on the internet cannot be protected against unauthorized entry. Generally, an intrusion detection device is used to assess if the user is an attacker or an appropriate user. Some of the other ethical issues of IT are personal privacy, patents, harmful actions, and data gathering. Now, what's the solution? The solution, I think, the solution is government in every country, public policy makers, computer professionals, organizations, and private citizens must all take an interest and make their contribution so that this global information can be exploited in a socially and ethically sensitive way for our future benefit and applications. These are some sources we have used for making this project, for making this presentation for you.
You explain it very well, Meher Khan Niazi.
Thank you so much. I think we have covered all the things and all the ethical issues that are being suffered by the IT professional or a programmer. Thank you so much again.
Allah Hafiz.